gold against US dollar. Yesterday has dropped in value, and we can see a pretty strong bearish candle format on the chart right here visible, where the price has fallen from 2450.58, a resistance line, and it has reached the support line 2390.94, and even gone all the way back down to this demand zone around 2356.22. We can see that this strong bearish momentum did not close below this support line, which means this is potentially a place where the demand zone and when the buys are pretty strong. So there is also potentially that the price could reverse back up, just like we can see right now here on the daily candle today that has been formed. Where the price could go, what I can see, the price has reached this confluence of support and resistance on yesterday candle, and there is open space that the price also could return all the way back down to here to 396, which has already done starting from this day. So where the price will continue to rise or fall down, it is a question. So it is the best to go on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, but this is something that I will cover inside the Telegram group with the traders, what are the levels on the lower time frames. But currently what I can see, this is at the daily time frame that shows me there is a potential that the price could go down again all the way back here, testing the support at 2390.94. Will the price make a breakout, a bearish breakout, continue to fall down even more? This is the question that we'll check next day, but also on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, that it will show us what is the candle formation around these support and the resistance levels. Just a small indication, this is support and the resistance levels that are on the 4-hour time frame that are very important and shows where the price could go during the day, where the price could bounce, and will the price go up or it will go down. Now the daily time frame shows us currently it is a bearish momentum from this resistance area that the price has reached the last week, and this week the price started to move down. So I'm currently expecting that the price will continue to fall down, but there is a potential that the price could retrace back up slightly just to re-enter back down. But if the price continues to go up, this resistance at 2450.58 will be very important in order to continue to rise in value further on. But until that happens, we will see what happens around this support level here, 2390.94, and the small support and the resistance levels on the lower time frames like 1-hour time frame and 4-hour time frame. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.